The Bronx is ground zero for ailments such as asthma, diabetes, obesity, and high blood pressure, and it ranks #1 in the state in those afflictions.
Inequity is asymmetric human suffering. It shows up in health issues, it shows up in financial issues, and it shows up in education issues. And that's because the infrastructure underlying those inequities propel that to happen.
Our law is called Local Law 120, and it requires New York City to achieve electrification of its school buses by 2035. Initiatives like this are so important because we really need to bring everyone together to streamline processes. Everyone knows that these things aren't easy, especially in New York City, and so streamlining our processes and making this faster is one of the most important things we need to get to that goal.